Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Satyavati Madam, my beloved friend, inspiring force, Dr. Shankar Manchi Shyamprasad and Madam Shyamprasad, my beloved friend Mr. Anil, the esteemed faculty of this school, and the other friend, the earlier principal, Harivara Prasad, Narahari Garu, the family members of Shankar Manchi Shyamprasad. Once again, good afternoon all of you. In fact, Dr. Shyamprasad and myself worked together for 5 years in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Paler. Fortunately, I was the principal and he was the trained graduate teacher, Telugu. Really, I am very fortunate myself associated with Dr. Shyamprasad. The first interaction with him was through Chukka Ramaya Garu, eminent educationist, a morning star of Telangana, I can say. He happened to visit our institution and he has introduced Shankar Prasad Shyam to me. I think he has not taken over the charge by that time. He got transferred, he did not take the charge at that time. And when Chukka Ramaya Garu was introducing Dr. Shyamprasad, I felt a little uneasy because I don't encourage recommendations, coming to me, approaching me with recommendations and all. I was a little embarrassed to see Dr. Shankar Manchi Shyamprasad. That was the first and last moment. Later on, the next 5 years, I need not tell you, you have seen and I have experienced. An ideal teacher, a teacher with values, character and eminent personality. అంటే చదువుకోవటమే కాదు, చదువు చెప్పటమే కాదు. మీకు తెలుసు, you know very well, values are not to be taught, values are to be caught. అంటే మనము మీకు చెప్తుంటాము మార్నింగ్ అసెంబ్లీ, అరే యూ కమ్ ఇన్ టైమ్, బట్ వెన్ ఐ స్టార్ట్ కమింగ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ లేట్, ఐ హ్యావ్ నో మోరల్ రైట్ టు టెల్ యూ దట్ యూ షుడ్ కమ్ ఇన్ టైమ్. Am I right? But it is altogether a different case with Shyamprasad. And you know, whenever there is admissions, we used to keep him as a housemaster for class 6th. Exclusively, we used to make the 6th class students together in one building and he will be taking care of those children. Never I heard any complaint from his house. And I never saw him beating or threatening or using or abusing any child. It never happens in Navodaya, but it happened with your beloved teacher, outgoing teacher, Shyamprasad. Let us congratulate with him with your claps. And whenever we organize any program in the school, we will be requesting Shyamprasad to speak in the last. Because you know how he speaks, you know. Okay? So, if he is speaking in the first order and if we have to speak in the last, there will be nobody to listen to us. That is the importance, the significance of Dr. Shyamprasad. In fact, he is more than what he is to his caliber. Given an opportunity, he would have been on the same similar platform of eminent poets, eminent orators of great Telangana state. But due to his economical conditions, he has to confine his ability and caliber and talent and capacity to the level of TGT Telugu. I never treated Dr. Shyam Prasad as a trained graduate teacher of Telugu. Rather, in terms of knowledge, in terms of values, in terms of character, I used to derive inspiration and motivation from Dr. Shyam Prasad. My friend Kishan Reddy is sitting there. We worked together. As a PGT history, I was there and he was there as a TGT history, TGT social science. Very ferocious young man. We used to discuss many things at length. And this is my third visit to this Vidyalaya. I'm very happy. And if you see the multifaceted man, Dr. Shyam Prasad, it is not only the teaching your textbook or giving a knowledge to your level, to the level of 10th class. He is a great orator, writer. You have seen today at least in 3 to 4 newspapers, articles are published on Dr. Shankar Manchi Shyam Prasad. Ee roju ప్రముఖమైన పత్రికలలో డాక్టర్ శ్యామ్ ప్రసాద్ జీవిత చరిత్ర గురించి, శ్యామ్ ప్రసాద్ పదవి విరమణ పొందుతున్న సందర్భంగా చక్కటి వ్యాసాలు రాశారు. అందులో ఒక వ్యాసాన్ని ఐ హ్యావ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ దిస్ ఎస్సే టు అవర్ డిప్యూటీ కమిషనర్ గోపాల్ కృష్ణ, యువర్ డిప్యూటీ కమిషనర్ ఇన్ ద రీజనల్ ఆఫీస్ హైదరాబాద్. And he was so delighted to read that article, and he has sent me one message. He has sent me one message and requested me to read in this MP hall in this August gathering on this occasion. With the kind permission of your principal, Satyavati Madam, I wish to read the message given by the Deputy Commissioner, my beloved friend Gopal Krishna. Dear Shyam, means Gopal Krishna sir is the Deputy Commissioner heading the entire Navodaya Vidyalayas of Hyderabad region. He writes about Dr. Shyam Prasad like this: as you step into the next chapter of your life with your superannuation from JNV Nizamabad, I want to extend my heartfelt greetings and best wishes to you. It is truly a momentous occasion, and I deeply regret that I am not able to be there in person due to unavoidable official commitments. Over the years, your dedication, erudite and commitment to the values of Navodaya have left an indelible mark on everyone who had the privilege to work with you. Your guidance and support have been invaluable, not just to the students whose lives you have shaped, but also to colleagues who have had the honor of learning from you. He says, it is not the generations of the students, this 33 years, it is the generations of the teachers who worked with him, got inspired from you. Next, although I am not able to accompany my friend and mentor, Dr. Ramesh and Anil in person, my thoughts and best wishes are with you as you celebrate this milestone. I hope this new phase brings you joy, relaxation, and fulfillment of all the dreams and plans you have long envisioned. Once again, congratulations on your well-deserved retirement, and may this next journey be as enriching and rewarding as your time with Navodaya has been. With warm regards. This is a very warm and very affectionate, a great reverence message sent by this one. And he told me one thing, sir, you are going there. I wanted to join with you. I'm not able to come because a audit party is waiting for me. I have to address this party. Tell him that all his retirement benefits, pension, what you call as a gratuity, everything is sanctioned. Papers also ready for him. The retirement papers are ready from the regional office and he will be receiving it in a couple of days. That was the message he has conveyed, asked me to convey to Dr. Shyam Prasad. So that speaks volumes. And I asked Dr. Shyam Prasad, what is your next assignment? What do you want to be after superannuation? He expressed his desire to teach at the level of at least degree college. And I happened to interact with my friends there in Hyderabad who are holding the colleges. And I'm very happy to share with Dr. Shyam Prasad, the assignment is ready for you. Soon after your assignment, superannuation, and that management, I forwarded the articles published on you today, and he was so fascinated to see, and he is very eager to see you in person and interact with you. Okay. So, moving with Dr. Shyam, and having association with your Dr. Shyam Prasad is a great source of knowledge and inspiration. A warmth feeling you feel, very affectionate feeling you feel. You are seeing him as a most successful teacher. Am I right? Most inspiring teacher. Similarly, he is the most successful parent, also father to his children. Their children love him, they are mad of his father and mother. So disciplined, so sober, so gentle, so loving. They are here only. And they have come with their son-in-laws also. That means, as a parent, he is more successful. Likewise, you are seeing now how this book got released. I am very fortunate. In the presence of Narahari Garu, and Dr. Shyam requested me, sir, you are coming here. He requested me 3 months back, came to my office, sir, you are the guest for my program, you must come for my superannuation. I told Shyam, even if you don't call me, I will come and sit somewhere in the corner and take some time. I will take few minutes and come and speak, because my heart is with you. My thoughts are with you. It is not me. My better half also sitting on the backdrop. She is also so eager to come, and she joined with me in this program. She don't want to miss this program. And dear children, so in the days to come, you feel it may be a dream, what you are saying, Dr. Shyam. You say, once upon a time I had a teacher. You say, I am telling you, you will keep talking. I have a teacher with those values. I have a teacher with this excellent command about the language and presentation, body language. You are seeing the book released on his biography. And he himself is the author of several books. He himself is the author of the several books. Those books are very popular. Those books are very, very popular. And I have gone through those books also. And he is a prolific writer. You know, Eka Santagraha Vinnamanam. ఒక్కసారి చెప్పగానే మనం చెప్పగలుగుతాము. ఈజ్ ఎ ప్రొలిఫిక్ రైటర్. ఇలా రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంటారు. నో సెకండ్ డ్రాఫ్ట్, నో థర్డ్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ దీస్ రైటింగ్స్. He can write continuously. We call him as a prolific writer. Reader, a voracious reader. If we meet together, if he meets Chukka Ramaya Garu after many years, the second word will be discussing about the literature or something knowledge only, not about any other things. An intellectual debate, a brainstorming moves around Shyam Prasad. It reverberates, I am telling you. It reverberates our minds. You get a feeling of so happiness. I am little restless last night because I must not come late to this program. I started by 6 o'clock from Hyderabad. So I am really lucky to have a friend like Dr. Shyam Prasad. I am not speaking any single word extra. I am not boasting. He doesn't like that. He doesn't like that. So a holistic man, as a teacher, as a parent, as a friend, and more than that, the progressive ideas, hats off to his progressive ideas, what we call the concern for the society, the concern for the community, and let us do something more to the society. He has that social consciousness, having born from a background, a village where the Telangana heroine Chakali Ailama has taken her birth. He derives great prestige and honor and says that I am from so-and-so village, sir. And he vows the qualities of that revolutionary village. I am very fortunate in that aspect also. I attended many superannuation programs. Many programs I attended. But this is one such program, dear students and my dear teachers also, colleagues, where it will leave us an indelible impression in our minds and hearts also. Mind and hearts also. So, a rarest of the rare, a great asset to any institution. Hajwara Prasad is telling about his caliber, capacity, because he being a principal here, he knows him very well. So, it is that he is a greatest asset to any institution, wherever he is rendering his service. So, on this day of this superannuation, I look forward, Dr. Shankar Manji Shyam Prasad, to come out to the society now, start his freelance writings, keep inspiring the people, contributing to the media. He is a perfect, I can say the best, he can play the roles of anchoring, he can play best roles in the social media, and we want to see his speeches, his thought process and his writings across the social media every day, so that his rich contribution for his rest of life will be a great way forward to the people of Telangana state. A man you have seen calm, quiet, peaceful, great qualities. Aunamma? ఈ 3 qualities మనకేముంటుంది? కోపము, అలజడి, అలసట. You won't find these 3 qualities. The qualities are unique. Stability. అండ్ మీకు తెలుగులో తెలుసు కదా, స్థిత ప్రజ్ఞ. వారిలో కోపము కానీ నవ్వు కానీ ఏది కూడా అతనిని ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్ళలేదు. స్టెబిలైజింగ్ ఫోర్స్. మరి అంత నిండు మనసుతోటి, నిండు హృదయముతోటి ఒక గొప్ప పండితుడు, గొప్ప అనుభవజ్ఞుడు, గురువులకే గురువుగా మన్ననలు పొందినటువంటి డాక్టర్ శ్యామ్ ప్రసాద్ యొక్క పదవీ విరమణ సందర్భంగా ఈనాడు మీరు ఇంత మంచి ప్రోగ్రాంలను ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసిన ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారికి, వారి టీంకు, వారి కొలీగ్స్కు, వారి యొక్క మిత్ర బృందాలందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. నాకు ఇది ఒక గొప్ప మధుర స్మృతిగా మిగులుతుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. నేను దీన్ని నా మనసులో పెట్టుకుంటాను, ఎప్పుడో ఆస్వాదిస్తూనే ఉంటుంటాను. ఇంకా శ్యామ్ ప్రసాద్ గారు ఇంకా ఉన్నత శిఖరాలకు ఎదగాలని, మా లాంటి వాళ్ళము కూడా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్గా ఉండి ఇంకా ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలని కోరుకుంటూ, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటూ తన యొక్క పిల్లల యొక్క కనుసన్నల్లో తన యొక్క సతీమణి గారు, ఎంత చక్కటి సతీమణి గారు అంటే, పిల్లలను ఈనాటి ప్రోగ్రెస్లో వీఆర్ సీయింగ్ ద ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఆఫ్ దర్ చిల్డ్రన్. It is none because of her great contribution by being working from home. Nowadays you are seeing in the software work from home, but she started work from home right from the day when they are taking their birth. Very cheerful, very calm, so supportive to Shankar Manchi. I never saw him exhausted. I never saw him getting disturbed coming from his quarter. Never. Readiness all the time. Sham? Yes, sir. Readiness. So, dear children, thank you for patiently listening, because this is what all my emotions I thought of sharing from this dais. Thank you so much. I thank the gathering.